The ability to designate specific holdings codes for locations as participants in a floating collection is found in Preferences. Please note, circulation will not allow items in a floating holdings code to be assigned to a rotating collection. Let's get started. Under Location Setup, Miscellaneous, select your location from the drop-down list and then select the Allow Floating Collections checkbox. Select the Email a Notification when item threshold is exceeded checkbox if you want circulation to generate an email alert when the number of floated items has exceeded the threshold setting. Next, type the email address where circulation should send the alert message. Type the maximum number of items to be allowed to float to the selected location before an alert notice is sent. Click Save. The next step is to determine which holdings code you want to allow floating collections. Under Types and Codes, Holdings Codes, select Edit next to the holdings code and then select the Allow Floating checkbox. Please note each participating location must have the same short description. Continue to repeat these steps for all the holdings code you want to float. Let's show you an example with two locations participating in floating collections. Jane Doe checked out an item from the Washington location and then checks it into the Lincoln location. Circulation then changes the item's active holdings code and sets the circulated by location to the check-in location. The item will remain at the Lincoln location. If the Lincoln location did not participate in floating collections, then the system would return the item back to the Washington location.